There's a real importance of people in the workplace knowing and understanding what inclusion is and how they are a part of creating an inclusive environment. The engineering industry has made great progress in ensuring that they are recruiting a diverse range of employees, which in turn has created diverse teams with different ideas, skill sets, and a broad range of opinions.
So I think it's as much the responsibility obviously of the organisation and the company to provide that environment as much as it is for us to use it, to improve it, and to be always creative in the way to benefit from it, I think.
As to how to make sure you foster an inclusive environment within your workplace.
An example of an inclusive action is considering everyone's dietary requirements. Food is important, it brings people together, it's a great way of socialising, meeting new people, making new friends, and even networking. Examples of dietary requirements can be religious, such as halal. They can be medical, such as allergies or gluten-free requirements, or they can be personal, such as being vegetarian or vegan. By catering to everyone's dietary requirements, you're ensuring that nobody feels excluded or left out, and that everyone can enjoy their time with one another, having a meal together.
It's with no doubt that inclusivity, has massive benefits for both, the individuals and the organisations, because obviously the more the individuals feel that they, that they are heard, that they're understood, that they can reach certain opportunities and certain resources, obviously the better individuals and resources the company has, and the better the company is in general. But I guess one point that I actually wanted to make here is that, sometimes no matter how inclusive the environment is and how much resources are put into providing that environment, if the individuals are not ready to have an inclusive environment to make the most of it, then honestly, there isn't that much point. Because I believe it's honestly a two-way system and a double-arrow relationship between, the effort that the company puts in to create and maintain that environment and the employees' use of that environment and acceptance of that environment. You might feel like, scared to voice out any concerns, not really confident to say when you see something wrong, and the company has created that inclusive environment because, the leads or whoever's leading that meeting keeps asking everybody, if you have, anything you want to voice out, say it now, what do you think? If you don't have that confidence in the system and you don't want to speak up, sometimes, that obviously jeopardizes the whole purpose of it.
Inclusive engineering also ensures inclusive solutions that are accessible to all clients and consumers. This stems from giving a group of decision makers the confidence to support each other's innovative ideas and create something that is likely to satisfy the needs of as many people as possible. And this all comes back to the commitment and self-assurance that being inclusive can encourage in an employee.